But now there's a this no what that I think stay order was there or something. Like we got a notice saying that all the elderly. Yeah, how possible? Where I come, he's gone. The secretary also. कंटिन्यू करते आम्ही बोलत आणि पहिलं स्टार्टिंग सांगा ये कॉलेज जातलं the attorney is coming. He knows much better. Okay. Or Rahul. सोल्युशन नाही माती काढपाच आहे माती सोल्युशन आम्ही कितले होते सोल्युशन इज टू रिमूव द माती that's what I told them personally but now yeah I've been in the village I've visited that first आणि ती झालं त्याने काल पिकनिक काढलेली की आहे जेल राहते ना आणि कंटिन्यूस येतली ती that time they had informed me त्या दिवसा मला कॉल केला त्यांनी सांगलेलं की मड येईल परत काढली आणि तिने एकच वाव हा एक वाव ब्लॉक झाले आणि तर त्याचं फुल रिटेनिंग कोणाच्या एकल्याचे बाळ जर एकच माळ गाडी घेतो आम्ही विजिट करून गेला मामलेदार साईडला साईडला But I think we have got a. No, I'll just wait for the attorney because I think we have also got a notice for that we are land filling it.
But when it should happen? That is a big question mark. Because this is the third or fourth time it is with the heavy rainfall, the mud is coming down on the road. And now right now it started entering the houses also. Okay, but the solution should be there quick, immediately, like
The solution we know is the mud to remove, but the authority to remove it, who has the authority?
So occupant of that land is to remove it. Whose land it is? That person will have to
So
remove it,
but the authority to take the action, we are asking
No,
about
it's a
that.
private property, right? And this is common
Yeah.
land.
So but the private property owner.
But will he remove it? What we are saying,
if
will
he
he
says
remove
I'm
it or
not
not?
removing it, somebody should have the authority to instruct him to
No,
remove it,
disaster
right?
management authority can instruct. That will move the process. It is not an issue.
Okay, but
I am writing to district disaster management authority.
Okay.
But how long the process? Because meanwhile, because it has to be done
No, we'll
immediately.
write right away. Today itself.
Right away.
Yeah. This is disaster.
But
no, we
yeah,
can't
I
do
know.
it.
But how long? What is the long? How long is the process? So
No,
one
it will
day,
be
2
done
days, 3
immediately.
days,
I'll
or
just-
1 month?
I will. No. It won't take a month. It will be done prior to that.
Because one compound wall has gone.
Correct. I have said
Tomorrow one more will
No,
go.
no.
Day after tomorrow one more will
It
go.
will take 1 month. It
So
will take less.
see, our panchayat is like they are there. The MLA is also there, and whatever the local politicians are, they are also there. But
No, it will happen.
being they are coming there, but the solution is like the person who is, I don't know who is the owner of it. He needs to come and see, and she needs to come
No,
out
we'll
and.
issue directions to the collector and right.
But how long? 8 days.
Yeah, it will take less than that. I think.
Less than that.
But overnight this thing can collapse and
No,
flow
that is
into.
correct. But
And
see, in these rains now to touch it also. is
Kennedy
very
Lake or
difficult,
Hadinga,
right?
sir. Full.
Touch it
This
now.
much the
But
mud has
then
come.
if suppose the
See, it
houses
should
get
not.
destroyed down, who's going to take responsibility for that? Somebody
But
has
but,
to
some is in communal property also. You should also check, right? Because this matter
We
we had
checked, we
highlighted it in January now. Today we are in July. Almost 6 months.
No, but what action can the Komlidar take on him? We can't take any action, right? It has to be the authority, right?
Some
Somebody has illegally encroached in our property.
So you all have
We
written
are
to
not the authority to take action
no,
against
you all
you.
have written to administrator about it.
Yes,
Some
I'm not too familiar with the case. I don't. I'll
You
just
came
wait
in
for the attorney.
January, you said, correct?
Correct.
So it took from January, now we are in July. So it is now 7 months, which is
I was not there here for some time.
okay.
I was not posted.
Okay, but the assurance you are giving us that it will take less than 8 days.
I will see my office, nothing remains pending. That's why I clear within a day.
Within a day.
Immediately I will process, I will send it latest by tomorrow morning because I have to take now Kalati.
Okay, the letter will go to him.
I do, it will go to the collector. Collector is the competent authority to issue directions. Collector is the chairperson of the district disaster management authority. So as Mamladar, my duty is to report the issue with the facts to the collector, and then the
And
collector
from
will
there,
give it.
the directions will be given.
Yes, directions will be issued.
मेन
Directly we are issuing.
जाल्यार मेन कितें आसा तुमी आनी पंचायतीन दोगांनी डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय कोणूय असो तो आनी हांव सांगता नांव कोणाचें आमकांय खबर आसा तुकाय खबर आसा कोण तो रुदल फेर्नांडीस तेज्या नांवार आसा तेज्या बायलेच्या नांवार आसा ही प्रॉपर्टी लँड फिलिंग केला हेच्या पयलीं आमी हांगा येवन गेल्ले इज अ MLA ऑफ सांताक्रूज ओके ते तुमकां खबर आसा सो MLA म्हणून तेणें हें करपाक जाय हांगा डिझास्टर जाल्यार सगळ्यांची घरां मोडून वयतली आनी तेन्नाय हांवें सांगलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय काडलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय मांडलेलें तरी पूण आता कितें जालें तें तुमकां खबर आसा आनी हेच्या फुडें आनीक जातलें फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ ऑर मोर देन 2-3 मंथ्स कंटिन्युअस रेनफॉल वील बी देयर आनी तेन्ना कोणाचे कॉलॅप्स जायत कितें जायत नेम ना आतां ऑलरेडी कंपाऊंड वॉल कॉलॅप्स जाल्या तशी बाकीच्यांची कोणाची घरां आनी कितें कॉलॅप्स जायत गॅरंटी ना बट तुमी डिझास्टर एज अ डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट थ्रू द कलेक्टर यू हॅव टू गिव हिम डायरेक्शन टू टेक अवे द मड इतलो मड घातला ऑलमोस्ट 3,800 स्क्वेअर मीटर वी हॅव मेजर्ड इट along with mining department, along with your TCP department. TCP department have given a report that they don't have any problem. Take a permission घेवपाक गरज ना. This is the report from the TCP department. So you all have to give a direction because there will be a bigger disaster over here in Santandre. No, today itself you have to process and you have to stop this and you have to reclaim the land as per the act. As per the disaster management act, you have to reclaim the land. You all have not done anything after that, like reclamation, nothing you all have done. And he can't construct a retaining wall. That's what I am telling you because retaining wall बांधली नाल्यार परत आनी collapse जातलो. Retaining wall more than 20 meters retaining wall थंय sustain जावपाची ना. पावस पडटलो सकयल उदक वयतलें आनी आख्खी retaining wall collapse जाता आनी व्हडलो disaster जातलो. So retaining wall फाल्यां तो बांदतलो आनी कितें म्हणटलो कित्याक ऑलरेडी त्यांनी इनलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन केला इनलिगल घातला तेणी डंपिंग केला. So all the departments should be like and what जो mud हडला पळय it is of smart city. You all have to investigate how you can get this mud. What investigation you all have done? Nothing. Any investigation is done? From where he has brought this mud? सगळी रेंव माती आसा आख्खी पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीची माती ती आनी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय हाव दे कॅन गिव दिस मड ओवर हियर तो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन I have written to you all long back in January itself and सगळे डिपार्टमेंटांक बरयला but till now the action has not been taken. You all have issued a notice, that's it. After that nothing has been done. आता all disaster it is in the making. You have seen आता केन्ना कितें मोडोन वचत नेम ना आनी हे सगळे कडेन जाता हांगाच न्हू ऑल ओव्हर गोवा हें चालू आसा कोण लँड फिलिंग करता कोण हिल कटिंग करता चालूच आसा सो अशें समज जाल्यार हे डिजास्टर टायमार अशें जाता इश्यू जाता सो तुमचो एक्शन सारको आसपाक आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर एज वेल आय विल स्पीक टू रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी एज वेल आनी मिनिस्टराक उलयता रेव्हेन्यूचो आतां तेंचे कितें भितरले भितर आसा हांव नपळय पण हांव उलयतलो मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी तेंकाय सांगतलो तेंकां कळपाक जाय कितें लँड फिलिंग आसा ती आय वॉन्ट द एंटायर रिपोर्ट बाय टुमॉरो इटसेल्फ आनी कोणान माती खंयची माती हाडल्या पळय तो रिपोर्ट म्हाका पयलो जाय इट इज बारीक ना ती 3,800 स्क्वेअर मीटर एरिया प्लस हायट इज ऑलमोस्ट 20 हायट मिटराची आसा सो इतली एरियान तूं माती घालता खंयची माती हाडटा हें कांय ना आय स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर बिकॉज कलेक्टर इज लायबल टू गेट दिस डन आनी फूल लँड सगळी माती आसा ती हांगा काडपाक लावपाची नाल्यार ती तूं कितलोय हें कर सकयल तूं शेवाळें घाल तूं ट्रक हाड आनी कितें कर ती माती स्टॉप जावपाची ना माती वयतली आनी त्या दिसाच सांगलेलें माती वयतली म्हणून देवतली म्हणून एक माडाची हायट आसा थंय माड आसा तो माडाच्या हायटीचेर आसा तुवें पळयला मेजरमेंट पासून काडटा आसतना पळयला बट डिपार्टमेंट आतां TCP डिपार्टमेंटान रिपोर्ट कितें दिला तांकां काय लागना म्हणून यू हॅव टू रायट टू देम ना फॉरवर्ड न्हू तुमी रायट हें करपाक जाय एज पर माय कंप्लेन वीच आय मेन्शन ऑन जानेवारी त्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे तुमी बरोवंक जाय तांकां कितें रिपोर्ट दिला एज पर एक्ट ताका तो लागत ना तांकां ते म्हणटा लँड फिलिंग न्हूच म्हणून You can't see this. त्यात व्हडलो लँड फिलिंग केला आणि लँड फिलिंग न्हू एक आमदार आसा म्हणून त्याका सोडप आणि कॉमन मनशाक तुम्ही एक्शन घेता रोखडे. You all are government servant. The collector is also government servant. You have to act on this. Also the panchayat have to act on this. सरपंच तुम्ही कंप्लेन तुमच्या सायडीच्यान लेटर वचपाक जाय, कंप्लेन वचपाक जाय त्यांना आणि रिक्लेमेशन सगळ्यांक मेळून बिकॉज लोकल्स आसा ते रावता त्यांना फाल्यां कितें जालें जाल्यार वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल. ते सगळे एज अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आम्ही एक्शन घेवंक ना म्हणटाले. सो यू हॅव टू रायट सगळे लोकल्सांचे ऑलरेडी लेटर येयल्ले आसा आतां. That day I got on Friday. Friday त्यांच्यानी लेटर दिला की उदक माती येता म्हणून. But this was long back in January. And only because he's the MLA, you all are not acting. I'm telling it on straightforward. Let people listen. Only because he is the MLA, you all are not acting. Of ruling party. लॉ दुसरो आणि आमकां लॉ दुसरो म्हणजे लोकांक लॉ दुसरो लागला. करेक्ट? असली लँड फिलिंग समज केली ना तुमची किती असता प्रोसेस? माती काढपाची असता मरे, रिक्लेम करपाची असता, रिस्टोर द लँड. सो इट इज नॉट डन.
You need to understand one thing. Last night that house, the compound one which came down, no? The old senior citizen, 70+-year-old, the couple was staying there. They have been moved, shifted to Kartal in their daughter's place. Yeah. So we can't move each and every house. You know, that is one. Second, this whatever damage, it will not been stopped here. The all mud will go into the field now. So the more people will be having more suffering actually. So we need to find out quickly, immediately. The request from all of us, immediate.
Urgency.
It has to be urgency basis. Yeah, because it is really sad. Actually, it is sad.
So the mud is entering the houses. And the mud, how it is not now? It is not in his property only. It is gone into somebody else.
Somebody else's
on the
property.
way. On the way.
Yeah, just a second. हेलो ये अपना बांबली कुरका एरिया में ना लैंडस्लाइड मतलब पूरा मड है. लैंड फिलिंग किया था, एंटायर मड अभी विलेज में गया है. या नो, द मामलेदार इज अलोंग विथ मी. ओके. In January, I had filed a complaint on same matter. Okay, but till now their action has not been taken. The land has not been reclaimed. It is almost 3,800 square meter of land, which is landfill, as well as the height is almost 19-20 meters. And no, and this matter was brought in assembly as well. Hello. This matter was brought in the assembly, but till now the action has not been taken because the MLA, this property belongs to one of the MLA. I will write it down again. You have to take a strict action on this.
They just want details about this.
Thank you.
This is Mamladar.
issue escalate kala na the clients got an
Correct.
in January
January I was there that time.
ते escalate झाले त्यांना आमचे केस झाले ते 28/2 सर्वे कोमनीदार I think you had escalate with your report.
Correct.
And then
Correct.
so now the case is on the deputy collector. So whatever issues what we are having now we'll add it to this existing case. That is the only way.
But now in your property, how much mud is there?
They are saying we also get it. So we are
You are
also
at
being
measure,
pulled
that
up.
measurement. Correct. Because
We have also been because survey number 26/2 belongs to us. So the show cause notice is also there.
correct and the illegal
But it is obvious no, we have not done any land filling, but we have also been pulled up for this.
property is the commandant, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
so the case is filed on us that we have done the land.
As per the law, tomorrow if I own a property, someone is doing anything illegal in my property, then I will also be liable, right? That liability is always
We have
there.
already
That's why.
prepared we have
Because
escalated it.
whenever the methods of illegal conversion, we file a checklist against the occupant of that property also. Because as per 1 and 14 each one is the occupant, right? So it is as per that.
So I represent the Komida. The case is on already.
Okay, so it's being heard there.
Yeah, it's been heard.
No, parallelly we are going to write today. I am moving because I have personally visited now today. MLA is there, honorable MLA is there, and our panchayat is also there. So today we are sending to the collector under Disaster Management Act. So let the collector issue directions Okay. In parallel, this
Your
will
case should
parallelly
be
run.
parallel to the
No,
other.
parallel. This will run. This is
Yeah.
illegal conversion.
Yeah.
This is different. Under disaster management act.
Don't combine both the
No. We are not combining. That is separate act. See, this is Goa Land Revenue Code illegal conversion. This hearing will take place because for this procedure has to be followed. One day order cannot be passed, right? Deputy collector is hearing it. Finally, under this, collector will issue separate directions. I will request her. Sir has also spoken to madam now.
Yeah.
So, madam, I'll meet today after going now. After this, madam will be there in office. So, we are writing to her under disaster management act to issue necessary directions in this. Because now under the act, the district disaster management authority is empowered to issue directions. District disaster management authority chairperson is the district collector. So madam has convened a meeting also today in the evening. I mean, we are all officers are meeting. So that time I'll submit the report and then we can get the direction. आज मीटिंग आहे सर आमची
आज मीटिंग आसा
साडेचारांक आहा मी कलेक्टर आणि मामलेदार सगळ्यांची दवरले
म्हाका हेजो रिपोर्ट दिवपाक फाल्यां
हांव
म्हटल्यार
दिता तुमकां म्हणजे ऍक्शन
फाल्यां म्हटल्यार कितें घेतला
कॉपी मार्क करता सर
हा.
तुमकां ऍक्शन टेकन कितें आहा कॉपी मार्क
कित्याक हे आतां आनी 1-2 म्हयने वयल्यान सगळे देंवतली माती आख्खी देंवतली
keep occurring again and again repeating.
one night. It's just one night.
I know,
and
we
you
have
see.
seen it.
So if it rains again tonight,
Correct.
so every hour that you will delay, it is a disaster.
No, we are moving it there right today. Because see, we have not received any intimation about this, sir. Because sir has informed, the honorable MLA informed, we came to know. The villager has not also informed the Talati also. Talati was also aware. He was not informed anything. They should have actually informed. Just one phone call would have been sufficient. But I don't know why they have not informed. So today, sir informed me in the afternoon that this is there. So sir was in assembly. So I also came along.
But the mud is not only in his plot. It has gone on the way to
Correct.
the village. It has gone
No, I have seen
into
it
some other
personally.
properties
But
also.
instructions will have to be issued to this mud will have to be removed first because see now it's raining. So while removing also care will have to be taken. Because if you put JCB now, everything will
No,
fall
you
down.
can't put JCB.
It will not.
No, no.
Let them
Laborer, I think they will have to
let
take.
them take the wise
That is
decision.
then he will have to take the person occupant of that land will have to take necessary this. It is an engineering solution is required basically. Because as sir said, retaining wall also may not be the option because whether retaining wall will be able to take the strength of that much mud.
Where you are
It
going to
won't
put
be.
the retaining wall because
I
mud
know.
is gone somewhere in the middle
Actually,
also.
to be honest, our house is at the highest risk right now because all the water mud, what is flowing
Seepage
through
is
one,
coming through your
through
property.
yeah. So
Correct,
if
correct.
that
You have
gets
seen
blocked,
now.
then
We have seen
everything
now, I
happens.
think.
You have seen now.
We have
You
gone
also-
to your this. That wall has fallen.
No,
Same
no, no,
wall.
not
No, no,
that
no.
one
That,
house,
that,
the
that next house.
where,
Next
where,
Next
where,
house.
the, where the water is
Gutter is-
exiting.
What gutter
It's
gutter
exiting.
is.
The house. I understood where the Bicholi
The last house we had
last
visited.
time we had. We have seen it. Okay. Because
Yeah.
the drain is now open, but it may get clogged.
Yeah, sand is building up now. So every day, in fact, twice a day, we are removing the
Removing the
sand
sand.
from the gutter.
It's always slush and silt,
Correct.
what it gets
It
accumulated.
gets sadhan there.
ती गोष्टी मोठी माती
ना
सगळी.
दाद हाती, no nothing.
No, from Panjim, they brought it from Panjim. That is all soft mud. It will just run along with the water. माती
आता
झाली झाली
भितर वचोंक मेळटलें आमकां पळोवपाक
So, पण
No,
एवढं
we don't have access to this.
Who locked it?
फुल ऑफ
It's the owner only who is locked. He's got access to it. No, we have not given any
But
access.
you are the owner of this
We are
property,
the
no?
owner, but we can't go and break the gate, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
they
go
can
and-
always.
It is in your property, no?
Yes, it falls in Komnida, right?
Yeah,
Falls
this
in
is
Gomeda,
Gomeda,
the-
the-
Without your permission, how somebody can put a gate? This has been installed for the last
But last time also I had
10-15
gone,
years.
I had
So,
gone
but
from
somebody had
the
locked
side.
the gate in your
Today,
property.
I think that entry is also blocked because of this. I mean, last time we didn't
वयल्यान गेले
They had gone from the.
No, this entry was open that time.
On that time, there were trucks that were there.
That time this entry was open, this gate is put later on. I thought this was put by Kumildad.
Komunda does not put that gate.
No, we have not put the gate.
तुमचे बटन कोणी लॉक केलं तर मोडून जाईल ना.
But like legally, we can't.
You,
Legally also he can't lock it, no?
Yeah, he can't lock it. So it's illegal from his side. But we can't just go and break somebody's gate. Then a case against us will be registered.
so Mamledar, you write it down to the Mamledar. Let Mamledar decide.
You're right. You should have complained to the administrator no, about this. If you had any issue with it.
No, we'll escalate through this case only. We'll escalate.
No, this
and
is
we'll say-
different. This is not. This is, you have to write to the administrator. Because under law.
ते मागे पेपरवर खूप पसरले. तुमच्या बटन कोणी लॉक केला तुमच्या घरा येऊन कोणी लॉक करतलो जाल्यार तुम्ही मोडपाक ना मोडान वचना मरे त्याच्या बटन मात वचना का
Anyway, you just see this. As for the land mud which is there, because Now this parallel proceeding will run.
Yeah, exactly.
That will take some time. But then today we are writing to the collector. So maybe by tomorrow, madam will issue instructions.
Sheldon, let them this thing, remove army, open the gate when they remove the man.
Yeah, but only some form of authority can open it. No?
Yeah.
Some
But,
but we don't.
However,
We don't
tell me
take
one
the risk to
thing.
open.
It's their property. Okay, Kumuldat property. Kumuldat attorney treasurer is there over here. So somebody has put a gate over here. So who is means they can't open the gate.
They have the key, they can open.
No, we don't have. We have not locked. We have not put the gate.
But you all have seen the gate today, first time.
No, this has been installed for the last 10-15 years.
With the,
So we were not aware of exactly who was owning this property.
We made now when the new committee was formed, we made like a list of all the list of properties that Kurta Kumlidad owns, and then we came to know this is ours.
Yeah, that is how
We lately came to know this was ours.
Now you all have
We knew that survey number 26-2 was a neighboring property that belonged to us.
because this notice, see, when I got this notice, I think in January
See,
notice.
And after you all did
we got so many properties. We have not gone and inspected every property. Yeah.
Because it is your finally, it's your this. No?
Okay, but you take a decision today itself for the meeting and give me the report by tomorrow. Okay, I've spoken to the collector as well, and collector should give their report because what happens this is the making of biggest disaster, and I don't know how many houses are there totally. We have to check entire houses.
So yeah.
तलाठी भाई रुपेश
I would say
हायो कितले घरांक डॅमेज झाला
No, average सांगता रे अंदाज कितले अंदाज जाते
there should be at least 20.
ना म्हाका एक सांग रुपेश ती सकयल देंवता ती आख्खी घरां आसा पळय टोटल घरां कितली आसा 20 घेवन आनी ते सायड सकयल्यान कितले आसा बट तांकां माती पावल्या ती
शेता कितें
ना ते सांग दोग जाण न्हू सगळ्यांक इफेक्ट जातलो तो 20-25 एक घरां
प्लस
आनी टोटल सकयली शेतां आसा
There is a colony
So
where probably I feel there is more than 20 or 30 families staying, which will get affected. Which will more than that. Just that alone. Yeah.
सकयल आमी गेल्ले ते आतां बांय कडेन बी ना तुजो रिपोर्ट दी आयजूच दी आयज सगळे तुजो रिपोर्ट दी टोटल कितली घरां आसा कितले घरांक लागला आनी माती खंय खंय गेल्या जाल्यार पळय ती अलॉंग विथ फोटोग्राफ ते आयज ताका रिपोर्ट दिना आनी तूं म्हाका रिपोर्ट दी
तुमकां मैं व्हॉट्सअप करता
व्हॉट्सअप कर म्हाका
हे करता मेल करता
ना हांव मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयतां कित्याक दीस मॅटर हॅव टू टेक सिरियसली मागीर तुमकां सामकें हें करतले तुमी प्रेशर जातले आनी तुमी हें जातले फायट करतले
आम्ही दिल्लो रिपोर्ट
तूं येयल्लो लास्ट टायम तूं येयल्लो मागीर खूब जाण येयना न्हू मागीर भियोन तें जावपाक जायना आनी फाल्यां कितें जाता एज पर लॉ तुमी एक्शन घेवपाक जाय तुमकां सगळो लॉ तुमचे कडेन आसा रेव्हेन्यू आनी मागीर रिक्लेम कोण करपाचो द ऑक्युपंट हॅव टू सो यू विल रायट टू द ऑक्युपंट टू रिक्लेम इट करेक्ट and you'll give them the time frame.
अशें केल्लो एक फाटी डायरेक्शन इशू केल्लें म्हणजे हांव पयलीं आसतना डायरेक्शन इशू
Okay.
घराचेय घातले
Okay, so now immediate action will be. You will
Yeah,
write a
see,
letter
under
and then
disaster management, collector has got powers under the disaster management authority and STM is having it. I am not chairperson, so I cannot issue. Collector is the competent. So based on our report, she will study and she will issue the direction.
We are also on the same page.
Yeah.
Let it happen as per law.
ते एक वॉल
लागे आले या पोया.
Kennedy's house. That Kennedy's house. तो पहिले
पंचायत सगळ्यांना
वॉल बांधलेले तेका पोल असले ते पोल पुरे
प्रायव्हेट मनशाची बोलली पूण गतर रे हा सोलच्यान हा सोलच्यान हा
वॉल असले मेन ना तेका वॉल असले ते वॉल हाली ते किती तरी काम करताना त्यांनी ते वॉल पॅक केले
हा रावता घरांचा कोण रावना डोर क्लोज
many years it is closed but आता हाली किती तरी काम करून लागले but आमची परमिशन बी काही नाही
so all should have issued a notice
but no permission is there
no now under this
now the problem is that we don't know who it is कोणाचे घर त्यांना खबर नाही
but
the wall also
house tax register
House tax not registered.
not it is not registered on the house tax
but the wall is going to cause a lot of problem because the water circuit
no but the ward member is not aware whose property it is. You have to do
You have to inquire through the ward member.
आम्ही कसे यादी करता all do it through one
No,
number.
but at least ते पुढे ना झाल्यार ते वॉल कलर जातले
That is correct,
आणि
but it's
people
private
लोकांची
property.
गाडी
We
येत
have to see now who is the
तेच तुका खबर आहे
कोणाचे रुपेश ते
question was somewhere purchase from outside. That is also possible because in Kurtana money to para purchase
neither is it registered with us.
सॉल्युशन में ते ओपन करते बोलतात ना पहिले असते
कोण असलेले कारण इतले टाइम प्रॉब्लेम
बुद्ध मानला असतो ते एकाला असतो ओपन करतो
पॅक केला या
then
Yes, what they are talking about water station,
but there was a hole
that is
there.
not because of this problem is different and that
I know,
That is
I know, that is
that water flow comes now. This is every year same problem. What Madam is saying is correct.
I know.
You can't go two-wheeler also.
No, now
four-wheeler
it is
can't.
getting stuck now.
The whole road is blocked now.
Yeah.
In the morning, lot of people like for school children also the movement is a very bad. The water level is high.
या या तर
Check. Madam, तुम्ही ऍक्शन घेवपाक ते because
Right.
there is the power no issue झाला आहे मग
यो
गिरीश बाब तुम्ही येयलेले हिंगा एका इन्स्पेक्शन कितें तरी करपाक येयलेले कितें इशू कितें हिंगा
कितें जालां आमकां 2 दीस पयलू आमकां लेटर येयलें लोकलांचे आनी लोकलांनी आमकां सांगलें की जो मड आसा हांगा लँड फिलींग जालें लास्ट टायम आमी हो इश्यू हायलायट केल्लो आनी कंप्लेनूय घातलेली हांवें पर्सनली कंप्लेन घातलेली आनी लँड फिलिंगेचो जो एंटायर स्ट्रेच आसा माती आसा मड आसा तो देंवता आनी सकयल आमचे गांवकर वाडो आसा तेंची जी घरां आसा ते घरांनी ऑलमोस्ट पावल्लो आसा थोड्यांचो जो एक आयज आमी विजीट केले एकट्याचे कंपाऊंड वॉल आसा तो कॉलेप्स जालो म्हणजे मड येवन माती येवन तो कॉलेप्स जालो तशेंच फुडें जो आख्खो रस्तो आसा तो रस्तो आख्खे मातयेन भरलेलो आसा तशेंच तुमी फुडें वयता बांय भरलेली आसा घरांनी उदक पावल्लें आसा तो इतलो डिजास्टर जाल्लो आसा आनी हेच्या पयलू जेन्ना आमी हांगा सायड इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें आमी येवन हांगा पळयल्लें तेन्ना आमचो तिसवाडीचो मामलेदार आसलो अलॉंग विथ बाकीचे डिपार्टमेंट आसले मायन्स डिपार्टमेंट आसलो टीसीबी डिपार्टमेंट आसलो सगळ्यांक आमी आपोवन हांगा इन्स्पेक्शन घेतलेलें आनी त्या इन्स्पेक्शनान ऑलरेडी रिपोर्ट तेंच्यांनी काडलेलो आनी तो रिपोर्ट जो आसा तो आमी असेंब्लीन बसून सांगले की असो इश्यू जाल्लो आसा आनी ह्या इश्यूचेर एक्शन अजून पर्यंत कांय जाल्ली ना म्हणून आनी आतां हेजे दिसून येता जो आमी मेन्शन केल्ले की हो लँड फिलींग आसा ह्या लँड फिलिंगाची डिजास्टर जातलो लोकांची घरांनी वयतली लोकांची घरां डॅमेज जातली म्हणून आनी हें जाल्लें आसा आतां आनी तुमी पळयता आसतलो ऑलमोस्ट जेन्ना रिपोर्टान आमी पळयलें तेन्ना ऑलमोस्ट 3800 स्क्वेअर मिटराचो लँड फिलिंग जाला हायट जी आसा ती ऑलमोस्ट 19 मिटराची हायट आसा एक माडाची इतली म्हणजे व्हडलो माड आसा तो 3 स्टोरी बिल्डींग आसा ऑलमोस्ट तेजी हायट आसा इतली मड फिलिंग केल्ली आनी दोन्ही सायडच्यान म्हणजे वीथ आसा ती ऑलमोस्ट 1800 सुमार जाल्ली सो इतली एरियेन तेंच्यांनी लँड फिलिंग केल्या आनी ती लँड फिलिंग आतां तुमी पळयता आसतलो हो जो रोड आसा हांगासल्यान ते घेवन वयताले आनी ट्रक आमी तेन्ना हाडयले आनी ते बंद केले तेन्ना ते स्टॉप केले आनी आतां आफ्टर स्टॉप जाले आतां तुमी पळयता आसतलो पावस खूब वाडलेलो आसा आनी ह्या पावसाच्या नेटान सगळी जी मड आसा ती देवाच आसा आनी आयज सकयल्ले घर म्हणजे लोकांक इतलो त्रास जाल्लो आसा लोक सामके बेजार जाल्ले आसा की बाबा परत माती येता ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 दीस जाले कंटिन्युअसली माती येता थंय शेवाळी घालून जावं आमचे हे घालून ट्रक घालून माती काडटा पण तरी पूण तेजो कांय जो इश्यू आसा तो सॉल्व जायना सो आतां मामलेदाराक आपोवन हाडलेलो मामलेदार येयल्लो लोकल सरपंच येयल्ली सेक्रेटरी येयल्ले आनी बाकीचे तलाटी आसलो आनी बाकीचे आमचे लोकल जे आसा कोमुलदाद हेटोनी कोमुलदाद हांगा पुरकाची कोमुलदाद आसा तेजे हेटोनी येयल्ले सगळ्यांनी हांगा येवन पळयल्ले आसा आनी तांकां हांवेंनूय सांगलें डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा कलेक्टराक पर्सनली हांवें फोन कॉल करून डायरेक्शन दिल्लें आसा की हेजेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन बेगांच्या बेगीन जावपाक जाय आनी हेजेर एक्शन जावपाक जाय आयज कितें जाल्लें आसा हो जो प्लॉट आसा हो जो जागो आसा तो ओन करता रुदल फेर्नांडीस आनी तेजी बायल आनी तो सांताक्रुजचो एमएलए आसा आनी हेकाच लागून आमी लास्ट टायमूय सांगलेले सांताक्रुजचो एमएलए आसा तेकाच लागून दबावाचेर हो बीजेपीचो आमदार आसल्या कारणान दबावाचेर हे खंय ना खंय प्रेशराचेर हे काम चालू आसा आनी हे बिंदासपणे तांकां हे करपाक शकता तुमी पळयता आसतले हांगा एंट्रन्साक तेणेन इनलिगल गेट घातल्या आतां ही गेट कोणाची हितून घातल्या ती कोमुलदाद प्रॉपर्टीन आसा आनी ताका लॉक मारला म्हटल्यार इतली दादागिरी ह्या बीजेपी सरकाराची इतली दादागिरी जाल्या आनी तेंच्या आमदारांची इतली दादागिरी जाल्या की ते कोणाकूच म्हटल्यार आपणाक जाय तशें करतले आनी लोकांक त्रासान घालतले फाल्यां समज आनीक लोट येयलो आनीक पावस पडलो नाल्यार कोणाचे घर मोडोन वचत नेम ना ऑलरेडी एकट्याच्या घरांनी ऑलरेडी माती पावल्ली आसा कॉलेप जावपाची हेजेर पावल्ली आसा सो केन्ना जाय सांगूं नजो सो मामलेदारान सांगला की डायरेक्शन आपूण रिपोर्ट आयज मिटींग आसा डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाची, ती मिटींगेक आपूण घालतलो हो पॉयंट, आणि डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाच्या थ्रू हेजेर एक्शन घेतलो आणि जो लँड आसा तो रिक्लेम करतलो. आता हे कितल्या पुरती हे आसा ते आमकां खबर ना, पण हांव मिनिस्टरा कडेन बाबूश मुनशरात जो मिनिस्टर आसा, रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आसा, तेजे कडेन उलयतलो. कारण हे अशें आसा की आयज लोकांचो कॅरूच करिना, आपणाक जाय तशी मनमानी करता, आणि ही जावपाक जायना. हो बीजेपी सरकार सारको मीन्स आपणाची तांकां पडलेलेच ना लोकांचे. आयज तुम्ही पळयता आसतलो गोंयभरान हेच चालू आसा, लँड फिलिंग, हिल कटिंग, आनी आमी जेन्ना कंप्लेनी घालता तेन्ना एक्शन जायना. हांवें पर्सनली आमदारान जावन पर्सनली हेजेर कंप्लेन घातली आनी पर्सनली फॉलोअप केलो, असेंब्लीन मांडलो, पण तरी पूण अजून पर्यंत हेजेर कांय जाल्लें ना. आणि लोकल पंचायतींनी निग्लेक्ट केलें. हांव तेही सांगूंक सोदता, कित्याक जेन्ना स्टार्टिंग लँड फिलिंग जाताली लोकल पंचायतीन तेजेर एक्शन घेवंक ना, ते येवन ताका नोटीस बिटीस कांयच काडूंक ना. हांवें पर्सनल म्हाका जेन्ना कळलें आनी हे ट्रक येता तेन्ना कळलें, तेन्ना हांवें मामलेदाराक आपयलें, आनी तेन्ना मामलेदारान येवन आमी सायड विजीट केल्या नंतर हेजेर खंय ना खंय तो रिपोर्ट जालो. नाल्यार तो रिपोर्ट वचून जावची नासल्यार खंयच्यान माती येयल्या ही शॉकिंग गजाल जातली. सो आयज ते कळोन येता की माती खंयच्यान येयल्ली आसा ती, आनी खरें म्हणल्यार पंचायतीन पयलीं स्टेप घेवपाक जाय, आनी पंचायतीन खंय ना खंय एक्शन प्लॅन हो पयलू हाडपाक जाय. तलाठी आसा तेंच्या वांगडा, तलाटीन येवन हे करप, इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक जाय, ना की आमदार येतलो आनी ते हे करतलो. अशी आयज प्रेशर सिच्युएशन जाल्ली आसा, आनी हेका लागून म्हाका दिसता हे जे काम आसा ते अशेंच उरलेलें आसा.